Morning all. Just wanted to put a quick video out there that Nintendo actually did an update. It's a very, very minor update. So it's 15.0.1 update for the Switch, obviously. And it's live, and your Switches will probably download it and try and get you to update it. So if you're not in airplane mode, it will download. Mine has done it hundreds of times, and then you have to go into Gold Leaf and delete the update if you don't want to install it. The reason I'm putting a video out is I have not tested this on my new Switch. I haven't seen anything online yet saying that Atmosphere works with it. I'm gonna presume it does because it's a very minor update, but not presuming it enough to actually install it on my Switch and give it a go because I want to play my Switch today. So if you have got this update downloaded on your Switch, I would go ahead and delete it, or make sure you click don't click install on it yet. So let's quickly just go down to patch notes. Being Switch in their, or Nintendo, sorry, their patch notes are absolute trash. They always are. So resolved an issue causing error code to appear when playing DLC from a console other than your primary console. It's going to be pretty rare for people, but it might have happened if you had a couple of Switches that you download. But if you're playing on an Atmosphere console, you're probably not playing on numerous consoles. But still, it's a fix. Can't really argue at Nintendo for fixing that. Resolved an issue preventing screenshots during specific in-game scenes for some games. I heard about this where when you try and take picture credits or something like that, or the end game of Pokemon, but I don't know if that's a decision by Nintendo, like the Pokemon Company, to stop you doing that, or if it was a mistake and like an issue which they fixed. But this is a general system stability improvements to enhance user experience. At this point, I don't know what Nintendo are making more stable. Like, all I can think is that they break things when they update and then they have to go back and fix them. Like, it can't be that many errors and stuff happening that they aren't causing. I just think I can't wrap my head around it, to be honest. Anyway, the system's more stable, I guess, and it's got some improvements to enhance the user's experience. At this point, that's all it ever does. Anyway, it is a 15.0.1, so it's that very, 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 very small update. It happened last night, Halloween, and your Switch will have probably downloaded it. It also appears they've added a bad word in Cantonese. It looks like it to a Japanese bad. Anyway, there's nothing you're gonna need there. It's not gonna stop you from playing any games. I wouldn't download it unless you need to. I wouldn't update unless you need to, unless you're by accident. Atmosphere, let me know if Atmosphere works on it. If any of you have accidentally updated and Atmosphere is still working, that'd be really good to know for people in the comments. But generally, this is a very small update. You're not going to need it at all, especially on the games that you're going to be playing on your Atmosphere Switch. And let's just, I quickly went to the Atmosphere website. Let me refresh it. Nope, still not updated. So it says 15.0.0. So it probably will change just that line if it does work, but they haven't changed it yet, so I'm not going to go ahead and download it just yet. I'm sorry I can't test it. I haven't seen anything on Reddit or the forums, but if you have done it, please let me know. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching.